Case Study 1. Lee versus Lee's Air Farming Limited. Lee is the managing director of Lee's Air Farming Limited and is also a shareholder with one share. In his capacity as the MD, Lee appointed himself to be the chief pilot of the company, thereby being an employee. Hence, Lee is the managing director, shareholder, as well as employee of the company. In an unfortunate incident, Lee died in a plane crash. Lee's wife approached the management of Lee's Air Farming Limited to claim compensation for her husband's death. The management refused to release any compensation as they are of the stern opinion that Lee, who is the employer, cannot be employee himself. In this case, the Privy Council heavily criticized the contention of the company and held that Lee and the company are distinct persons because of the corporate personality of a company. And Lee, in his capacity as the managing director, can very well appoint himself as the chief pilot. And Lee, being a pilot, has got a master-servant relationship with the company. Accordingly, Lee's wife was held to be eligible to claim such compensation. Hence, the separate legal entity or the identity of a company as an artificial person has been recognized and identified in this judgment. Case Study 2. Salmon vs. Salmon and Company Limited. Salmon sold his business to Salmon and Company Limited, and in consideration thereof, the company has issued equity shares, secured debentures, and the balance consideration was paid in cash. When the company failed to perform, it went into liquidation. The unsecured trade creditors claimed right over the whole of the company's assets by totally ignoring the rights of Solomon being a secured debenture holder who has got the priority right over the assets of the company. They further claimed that since Solomon is the reason for the debt and Solomon is in the management of the company, and Solomon and company being the same, Solomon should not be allowed to claim any priority. The House of Lords held that the company is a different person altogether from the subscribers of the memorandum, and such subscribers need not be independent or unconnected, thereby upholding the principle of corporate personality and separate legal entity of the company. These two judgments have paved way to explain the theory of corporate personality and separate legal entity. Episode 1 and 2 together will give you a clear understanding of how a company functions and what is the core principle behind a corporate personality. For more such explainer videos on company law, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.